Kasun benang nalor jong kapung yam ne yam kala rong sao hakas ngi thoding namba Shipai Liengsuiñ kari India ne ke Indian Air Forces IAF Lyngba ke Kynhun kila Pynher ki Liengsuiñ Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team Skat nalor ke yam lek kate ke Kynhun kala Pyni yala ki jong ki sab repair pakila Pyni ru yala ki jinglong bala tebit jong ki pilot ka IAF ha ka ba kene kala Ïapom ya ki nong pit kai na kate kapung harengkan lang mat ke Kynhun ka Skat la Pynher ru ya ki Liengsuiñ Ïapom ka Sukhoi Lyngba MKI ka Rafale batcatak necita helikopter hang neng program na don lang ulat ke jela upaku Kynhun menteri rangba ke jela kuanat ke sangma harengkat lang kibabut kit ba bat kentup ru ya ki he Shipai ki bala sakhi ye kene ke program haba kren ha kene ke program menteri rangba ke jela kuanat sangma ula ai kuble ye ki Shipai Indian Air Force nama kene ke jingla jongki ban Pyni ya ke Jingtbit jongki ban Pyni ya la ki jong ki sab bat kham tam ya ke jing shikri jongki ya keri India barok away.
The team in the victory formation.
In fact, I'm happy to say that the armed forces, in all the paramilitary forces, all have now been taking extra effort to reach out to the youngsters and to the people in the northeast. Almost every single force has, and the commandant and their respective recruiting agencies have met me many times to express the same concerns which you have just mentioned and asked us how we could ensure that more and more participation would be there. So there is a lot of effort now being made. In fact, many of the recruitments are even happening at the grassroots level where they are reaching out to different districts, not just in say Shillong or in the capital or in the main towns, but trying to go deeper into the rural areas also. So there's a lot of concerted effort going on. Of course, there's a lot to be desired, but I'm sure that with the efforts that's being put in now, we will see more representation. And I do also encourage our youngsters to also move forward in this and serve the nation. And it's a great opportunity. And I'm sure that in the coming days, we will see, coming months, years, we will see more and more participation. There's always been recruitment is not an easy process, so there are a lot of complications. But as I said, the genuine desire and the effort is there from all the forces to see that more and more representation is there from the Northeast.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.